I just had to let you know you're.
Hello everyone, my name is Samene and today I will be presenting floor finishes, which are the visible surface materials applied to a floor. Floor finishes play an important role in a space because they affect its appearance, performance, durability and comfort. A good floor finishes not only enhance the beauty of a space but also provides durability for daily use, comfort underfoot and long-term value for the property. There are several common types of floor finishes, which are ceramic and partial tile, are water and stain resistant, making them suitable for kitchen and bathroom. Natural stone offers a unique and luxurious appearance with excellent durability. Solid hardwood provides a warm and timeless look, while engineered wood offers better stability against humidity changes. For more affordable option, laminate flooring is easy to maintain and resistant to scratch and stains. Vinyl flooring is waterproof, comfortable and available in many styles. Concrete and terrazzo are highly durable and commonly used in commercial spaces. Carpet provides the softness, warmth and noise reduction, while cork flooring is sustainable and offers good sound absorption. Lastly, the rubber flooring is slip resistant, impact absorbing and ideal for gym and playgrounds. When selecting a floor finishes, several factors should be considered, including the function, durability, maintenance, requirements, aesthetics, budget and sustainability. Based on the comparison chart, ceramic tiles and vinyl flooring performs well in terms of water resistance and low maintenance. Hardwood floors provides excellent aesthetic but require higher maintenance. Carpet offers the highest comfort level while concrete and terrazzo excel in durability. So, in conclusion, there is no single best floor finish. The right choice depends on the needs of the space, user preference, budget and maintenance requirements. A well-selected floor finishes creates a balance between beauty, functionality and long-term performance. That's all from me. Thank you.
I just had to let you know you're.